Hello fellow hot babes and welcome to my channel. Today's gonna be a, well okay, here's the thing, here's the tea. I was going to call this like get ready with me, but then I literally went through like 75% of this video and then I realized I hadn't talked whatsoever about my life. I hadn't talked much at all. I had just been doing my makeup, so therefore I'm not even sure I can title this a get ready with me, because this is more of a tutorial kind of video on how to create this here look. But before I begin, I do want to say that I post videos here on my channel every single day. It's a piece of work, but it's completely worth it because I love doing it, and I do want to like always inspire you and just like share my creativity with you guys. So that is my passion. I love doing that. So yes, that is what my channel is about. So if you want to check it out, be sure to check it out down below. But if you're already part of this channel, if you're already a regular viewer, then you're probably wondering, wow, when is she going to start this video? Well, I'm going to start this video right now because I can tell I've been talking for a very long time and that's not very good for anyone. So I'm just going to let you guys get to it. So if you want to see how to create this look right here, then of course keep on watching. We're going to be going in with this palette right here that I actually haven't used in a while and I really feel like I should. So I'm going to go in with this Plum color, which happens to be one of my favorite shades in this entire palette. And guess what? This is going to be stamped into my outer corner using a relatively large brush. And keep in mind that I'm literally just laying the color on there. I'm not even brushing it on. I'm just, you know, using dabbing motions to just dab the color on there. I think I'm going to take this color right here, mix it in with this color because clearly I cannot make a decision, and I'm going to be using this to blend out the perimeters of that purple. And I'm using a relatively stiff brush to do this. So it's not even blending, it's more like merging the colors together. And I'll be dragging this along my socket. So essentially we're doing this, which for big people is a no-no, but for me it's a yes. So I'm kind of like doing the dabbing slash swiping motions with the color here. I mean, I am dabbing it on, but like at the same time, you know, I'm swiping it on. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take like a small brush, I'm gonna pick up this color right here and blend out the edges. Like that. And then I want to take a small kind of like detail precise brush and I'm going to dip it into this color, okay, and then I'm going to basically apply that color into the inner portion of my lid and drag it up so it also goes into my crease area. And then I'll be taking that fluffier, longer brush from earlier, dipping it into this purpley shade, and then using that to diffuse the edges of the color that we just applied. Somehow some purple eyeshadow got on my nose and I have no idea how that happened. I'm going to go back in with this brush right here, pick up some more of this shadow, just a little bit, and then use this to further intensify that shadow in that outer corner. And then I think what I want to do is I want to go in with a lash glue, and I'm going to apply the lash glue into the white space or into like the lighter space of my eye. I usually just tap it around until it becomes super tacky. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip in to this color right here using my fingers, and I'm going to press it on top. Okay, and really quick I want to go in with the rest of my face. I'm just going to be doing a little bit of Illuminator and mixing it in with some foundation. Same thing that I've been doing for a while actually. You guys know that I love doing this. And then I'm going to dip into this dark blue right here. And this color is going to be stamped on my lower lash line. I'm also going to extend the color up slightly and merge it in with the shade in my crease. And just drag it up. And then when there's less product on the brush, I'm just swishing it around and letting the colors blend in a little bit more. I want to add to the haziness, so I'm just going to line my waterline pretty lightly with some gel liner. And then for my eyes, I'm going to apply this product right here. It's called the Colourpop Supernova eyeshadow, and the shade is called From the Valley. Now with this, I'm just going to apply this color pretty much all over my entire lid. Now what this does is, since we have that selection of shades on the lid, and since this product that I'm applying right now, this liquidy eyeshadow, is actually very sheer, it's kind of going to like give like this beautiful duochrome effect to the eye look, because we have like that beautiful combination of green and we have that combination of purple, and it's all covered by this like kind of sheer looking eyeshadow. So I feel like this will look really beautiful together, because it kind of looks like a really interesting duochrome right now, which I love. I'm applying it less intensely in the outer bit, just because I do want to focus the intention on like the center of my eyelid. But this is such a difference, like this is before and then this is after. And then for an inner corner highlight, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this color right here. This is called Ladybird. This is also a Colourpop shadow, and I'm going to apply this to my inner corners. For my skin, I'm going to do a highlight with this liquid highlighter right here. This happens to be like a Wet n Wild liquid highlight. It's called the Hello Halo liquid highlighter, and the shade is Gilded Glow. So I apply that pretty much on all the high points of my face, and I like to blend it out using a small foundation brush. This is actually supposed to be a small foundation brush. It's the Morphe E8 brush, but I also love to use it for cream highlighting because the bristles are longer, but it's still pretty dense. And then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit, which is this one right here. And I'm going to use a combination of these two shades today. And this is going on my cheekbones. I'm also going to lightly contour my face. And then I'm also adding a pink liner to my lips. And then for gloss, I'm using this one, the Fenty Gloss Bomb, and the shade is Diamond Milk. So I just applied my mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do my false lashes, and I'll be right back. What am I doing? Like, I thought that this was gonna be like a chatty grip ready with me, and this is like not chatty whatsoever. Yeah, I'm just like literally waiting for my lashes to get tacky before I can put them on. I mean, I just love applying like glossy, like metallic, glittery looking shadow like on top of like two different tones of eyeshadow, because I'm not sure if it even is showing up on camera, but you can definitely see that there's like this green shift almost to my eyeshadow, which is because we have that green shadow underneath. So my friends, that is the end of this not so get ready with me, but quite tutorial-ish video, I guess. These are the lashes on my eyeballs, and now we are finished with this little tutorial slash get ready with me slash not really get ready with me, because I don't really talk at all in this video. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this look. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye guys.